What is Fitfi app? Will it surge like StepnN GMT? We all saw how StepnN GMT, the new move to earn sensation, went up more than 40,000%, and it's still surging. And following the StepnN on Solana Blockchain Avalanche AVAX has launched a similar app named Fitfi, which will let you be able to move to earn. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's start the video with the intro of Fitfi without any further delay. Earning money to live a healthier lifestyle. This is the promise of a new class of applications that combines cryptocurrencies, lifestyle, and gaming. Take your most beautiful sneaks out of the closet, because the move to earn could revolutionize your motivation meter. Also, your wallet. The concept of play to earn arose from the combination of cryptocurrencies and gamification. To be honest, GameFi made a lot of noise throughout 2021, and the beginning of 2022 appears to confirm this trend. As a refresher, it is the principle under which users are compensated in cryptocurrencies for their actions in a game. Axie Infinity, the category standard bearer, has inspired dozens of projects based on the concept. A new wave of applications is emerging that are directly inspired by this concept. These games keep the play-to-earn concept of gamification, but aim to reward you for doing well in the real world. Put on your best outfit, grab your NFT, and let's go diving. As a result, the concept of move to earn is inspired by that of play to earn. However, you do not need to play a video game to generate cryptocurrencies this time. You are earned by simply moving around in real life. Naturally, as you earn cryptocurrencies, your earnings are directly proportional to the value of the app token. This new concept, which combines cryptocurrencies and lifestyle, aims to put an end to your lack of motivation. Forget the excuses. Your daily walk will become the most anticipated moment of the day. After all, what could be better than getting paid to keep your body in good shape? Fitfi is a community-owned app called StepnN, a tokenized fitness application endorsed by a celebrity. Leading edge the Metaverse and augmented reality emerging. Your steps generate money in this gamified fitness Metaverse. Collect and stake sneak NFT, gain steps, and increase your wealth. Fitfi is a mega app that combines the world's financial and fitness goals. Take your fitness routines or goals to the next level. And their token named Fitfi has been listed on a lot of exchanges, including Crypto.com, Huobi Global, Bitmart, Bybit, OKX, and Next Global, and there are a lot of listings and announcements to come very shortly. It launched for the price of 4 cents and now is trading at around $0.2. Do you see how much it has done even in 2 days? And guess what? The app is still not launched and will be launched shortly. On the other hand, while there are numerous DeFi protocols available, the market does not have much to offer in terms of fitness. Fitness finances early and aggressive ascension to the top will compel other teams and developers to see Step as a partner in their success. Furthermore, its ecosystem provides a large number of go-to users, fitness ambassadors, and on-ramps, as well as immediate technology. Step app's goal is to build a gamified metaverse for the fitness industry. To socialize, play, and earn, users will have to walk, jog, or run. This project will be the next joint frontier in the metaverse and GameFi markets, as well as a physical embodiment of metaverse-related experiences. As we all know, fitness is an important part of many people's lives. The team believes that a blockchain product that taps into something that many people do daily is at the top of the crypto adoption chain. Users will only need to download the Step app to transform their fitness into a social experience that pays them. They can increase their step count by walking, jogging, or running. This app allows users to compete with friends or strangers, socialize locally or globally, and experience the metaverse and their physical world in a completely new way. In addition, the company is running an early sign-up campaign that offers free sneak, earn NFT. As a result, the app will gain tens of thousands of users before its official launch. Finally, if you're watching this video, it's still too early for you to get the advantage of being the first mover on Fitfi. They already have 100 Twitter followers, so imagine what will happen once the app is released. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about Fitfi, so, as I always say, do mention that below in the comment box. And also let us know if you think Fitfi will be able to flip StepnN, or at least compete it. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.